welcome to season 13 of TVJ's All Together Sing. Now, I hope you're all geared up and ready as our choirs make one final push towards the title and a spot in our live grand finale show on December 10. This week, our top four will be giving us not one, but two performances. First, we'll get a brand new piece from any genre, and then an encore of one of their favorites from the season. Remember, you can catch the live action on onespotmedia.com or watch highlights on televisionjamaica.com. And also follow TVJ's Facebook page for frequent updates on studio happenings. And on a sadder note, we had to send home two choirs. Two choirs went all the way back to school, and those choirs are Merle Grove and Ferncourt. All the best to both choirs, and we hope to see you again next year. So, can you believe it? Only two more shows left in the season, and what an explosive competition it has been so far. Schools all across the island have been representing, and I know you have been enjoying the friendly rivalry as much as we have been. Now, let me introduce a set of individuals who also have been having a very good time every single week, both behind the scenes and from what you're seeing on your television screens. I am talking about our resident judges. Help me welcome the dapper, smashing musician, Dennis Rushton. Yes, Dennis, I see no bow tie tonight. Next is the always pleasant Joy Simons-Brown. These two have 8 performances to judge tonight, so let's jump right into it. First to hit the stage is a school that says all they've been doing is winning since the start of the competition. Please give a massive round of applause for the Clarendon-based school, Knox College!
Hi, Knox. You not only knock, but you knock hard. Man, the positive message, thumbs up. The harmony, beautiful. The diction, I could hear every word. Your attention to details, magnificent. Knox?
Knox! Yeah, Knox, what a brilliant way to start an evening show and the semifinals. I've been following you and I noticed that showmanship is your thing. You get your notes right, you choose the right songs. And what I think is your standout is that your musicality, you're able to put in some voices, some voicings that I hear only in this choir. So try your best. I hope you get your votes, and let's see who wins.
Knox College obviously came with a knockout punch tonight by the looks of their outfit and performance. Well, if you believe Knox has the winning formula to make it to the grand finale, then call or text the word VOTE to 444-8806.